Let me start with something important. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to go viral. And you don't need a huge, complicated online course to make money with digital products. What you really need is a clear idea, a simple structure, and the courage to start small. Many people think too big from the beginning. They imagine a perfect brand, a perfect product, and a perfect launch. But let me tell you, after 14 years of experience in online marketing, this won't happen. And because it feels so big, you will never start. That's why small digital products work so well in 2026. I call them tiny digital products. Mini courses, mini ebooks. They are focused, they are easy to create and much easier to sell. In this video, I show you 3 digital product ideas that will sell in 2026 and why they work so well. Let's get started. Why small products work better. Many people want more freedom and more income. At the same time, they feel overwhelmed and stuck with all the online marketing they see. The reason is simple. They try too much at once. When something feels big or absolutely new, our brain goes into stress mode. We overthink, we doubt ourselves, and we delay our actions. Small products do the opposite. They feel doable. Suddenly you have a plan in your head, and because of that, you move forward. Tiny products will help you build a momentum. You finish something, you're inspired, you publish it, absolutely thrilled. And then the momentum comes and people are willing to pay for it. That moment changes everything. So confidence doesn't come from thinking. It comes from action. Tiny digital product number 1. The first product idea is a small and focused ebook. Not hundreds of pages, something you can write in a day, about 30 to 40 pages long. A short guide that solves one problem to one specific person. Like for example, my mini course method. The first script I wrote down in one day. I published it as an ebook, just in a simple A4 PDF format. And then later I published it on Amazon KDP with even more pages and even more space to fill in the progress in this book. People don't buy ebooks because they want more information. They want a solution. They want a path forward. A good ebook answers only one question. How do I get from A to B? How do I get from where I am now to where I want to be? If your ebook does that, it will sell, even without a big audience. And remember, your ebook is not the final product. It's just the entry point to another coaching program, for example. The second product idea is a mini course. Some people love reading, they love to buy books or ebooks. Others learn better while watching and listening, like you, for example. A mini course allows you to explain your idea and your solution step by step. Here's the key point. You don't need new content. You can use the same core idea like the ebook and explain it in a video form, like tutorials, for example. The idea can stay the same, but the experience changes. You can add some special tips, bonuses, or meditations. And people will love videos or audios and will pay for it. The mini course should solve one problem and has one solution. Something that you can work on a weekend. The third product idea is a simple membership or ongoing program. This doesn't have to be big or complex. It can be a small group program, a monthly call, or a space like a group for guidance and support. Many people don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they feel alone and overwhelmed while implementing. A membership creates connection, trust, and long-term value for your audience and for your income. You get to know these people better and they will buy again and again. By the way, do you like my videos? And subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I would be thrilled to answer all your questions. You don't need new ideas for every product. You can turn it into an ebook, into a mini course, and into a membership for ongoing progress. Same idea, different format. Think of an apple. A whole apple, a slice of an apple, or even the apple juice. It all comes from the same source, but has different experiences. The simple digital product system. These products alone don't create freedom. but systems do. You lead people to one main product, usually the ebook or the mini course. Once someone buys, trust is already there. Then you offer the second product while buying. From there, you guide them step by step, even to the third product. That's what I call the mini course method, and this is how a sustainable online business is built. Why this works in 2026. The online world is loud and fast, and you don't have to create every 6 weeks something new. Better create something evergreen that people will buy over years. People are tired of complex promises. They want simple solutions that feel honest and realistic. Tiny products feel safe and they inspire. And when people feel safe, they buy. If you want simple ideas you can actually finish, and if you want to build the whole system with mini courses, then I recommend you my book, The Mini Course Method. You find the link below this video. And don't forget to start small and stay consistent and let your system grow with you. Now go watch my next video in which I show you how to make passive income with digital products. See you there.